Hi, I'm Briony Horgan. I'm a professor of planetary science at Purdue University. And so what does that mean? That means I get to do, I mostly study the geology of other planets. So I use data from rovers and satellites, mostly flown by NASA, to understand what these planets, how they got to be the way they are. We study the geology. We look at, the astrobiology of these planets. We study kind of every aspect of it. And that's one of the things I love about planetary science is you can do geology, chemistry, biology, physics, really any kind of science or engineering and do planetary science. I personally do a lot of geology because I love rocks, but that's kind of how this works. So like my day-to-day job, so we get data back from the rovers or satellites. We get to analyze it, just sitting in front of a computer, analyzing our data, looking at images of Mars from orbit is always really exciting. Look at images coming back from the rovers is always really exciting. Trying to figure out where the rover is going to drive the next day is always a lot of fun. But I love my job too because we also get to spend time exploring what we call analog environments here on Earth. So we get to actually go out and do field work, we get to climb mountains and explore all kinds of cool environments here on Earth to help us understand the kind of data that we're getting back from Mars and the Moon and other planets too. So this kind of career, again, you can come into it from almost any science background. So getting into science and taking, things like math and programming classes and stuff like that is really helpful. Almost every science today, if you can do some programming, it's really, really helpful. So all of that is really great. If you're thinking about this and you're like in high school or something, getting whatever kind of science experience you can, taking AP classes really helps. But really, it's because you can do almost any kind of science and do planetary science, it's really just finding the type of science you like doing that really makes you excited and starting to learn about that.